exposed are running high in East Asia. Taiwan has deployed jets and a mobile air defense system to monitor China's drills. This comes after Beijing launched biggest drills in a year around the self-ruled island on Thursday. The drills are taking place in the Taiwan Strait and around the Taipei-claimed islands of Kinmen, Matsu, Wuzhui, and Dongguan. While the scale of the exercise is smaller as compared to 2022, there remains the risk of accidents or miscalculations. The China's war games, codenamed as Joint SWOT 2024A, primarily focuses on two things: joint sea-air combat readiness patrol and precision strikes on key targets. The drills involving Air Force, Navy, Army, as well as the Rocket Force are a punishment in response to the Separatist Act, says China. Further, it is a warning to those trying to meddle in China's internal affairs. Beijing claims Taiwan as a part of its own territory, a claim strongly rejected by Taipei.
Taiwan independence is a dead end. Condoning support for Taiwan independence is doomed to failure, and no external forces can stop the historical momentum of China's unification.
The exercise comes days after newly elected Taiwan President Lai Ching-te's speech urged Beijing. He belongs to a democratic progressive party that maintains that Taiwan is a sovereign nation, and during his inaugural speech, he urged China to face the reality of Taiwan's existence and respect the choices of the people of Taiwan. And now, when China is testing its ability to occupy key areas through the exercise, the Taiwanese president has echoed similar concerns.
Therefore, I hope that China will face the reality of the Republic of China's existence, respect the choices of the people of Taiwan, and in good faith choose dialogue over confrontation. Exchange over containment, and under the principles of parity and dignity, engage in cooperation with the legal government chosen by Taiwan's people.
President Lai has pledged to stand with the military side by side and defend Taiwan's sovereignty. But a few questions remain. Is China testing waters to invade Taiwan, or are the drills mere brinksmanship? Bureau Report, India Today Global.